Good morning. My name is Specialist Hipos, and I'll be your instructor for today's training. Does everybody have everything on the PCI checklist? Pen, paper, water source. Okay. Today's task is to perform voice communication in accordance to STP 21-1-SMCT, task number 113-COM-1022. What if you were driving around and your Humvee broke down? Were you able to effectively communicate and notify your chain of command to send help over a radio? Our task for today is to perform voice communication. Conditions given: 1. One operational radio set for each net member, warmed up and set to the net frequency. 2. A call sign information card, 5x8, consisting of net member duty position, S1, S2, net call sign, letter, number, letter, suffix list, net control station, NCS-46S1-39 S2-13, and a message to be transmitted. 3. Situation. The net is considered to be secured and authentication is not required. 4. ACP 131. Note: this task may have as many net members as there is equipment available. Each net member must have a different suffix and message to transmit. Standards. Perform voice communications by entering and leaving the net in alphanumeric sequence and use of correct pro words, phonetic alphabet, and numerals that result in successful communication of the message. There are no special conditions nor special standards for this training. The overall risk assessment for this training is low. Be sure to look around the area for possible tripping hazards such as wires and bags. If there are any tripping hazards, please be sure to move or avoid them. Be sure to drink lots of water throughout the whole training. Make sure to stay away from the fans so that you can hear and avoid being cut. Evaluation for today. Immediately after receiving this training, you will then be evaluated individually. In order to receive a go for this task, you must receive a go on each performance measures that you are being evaluated on. You will be evaluated on this room individually. In order to enter the net, send a message, and leave the net in alphanumeric sequence, you must know how to properly communicate while using a radio. I will demonstrate the full task at full speed, followed by a step-by-step explanation on how to perform voice communication. After that, you will have 5 minutes to practice on your own. During that time, I will be walking around the room to see if you have any questions or concerns, so please don't be afraid to ask me. Please make sure that you print your name on the sign-in sheet that's been going around the room. You will sign the name in the same sign-in sheet next to your name once the evaluations are complete. I will now start the demonstration. Echo 46, this is Echo 39er, Roten, over. Echo 39er, this is Echo 46, Roger, over. Echo 46, this is Echo 39er, routing time 1906222, Zulu, June 2-1, break. Echo 46, my vehicle broke down at the following coordinates: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Requesting for pickup, over. Echo 39, this is Echo 46, Roger, sending help, over. Echo 46, this is Echo 39, Roger, out. Demonstration complete. I will now show you the step-by-step on how to properly enter the net, send a message, and leave the net in alphanumeric sequence. 1. Enter the net. Determine the abbreviated call sign and answering sequence for your duty position. Respond to the NCS issuing a net call. Answer in alphanumeric sequence. Note, at this time, the NCS acknowledges and the net is open. 2. Send a message. Listen to make sure that the net is clear. Do not interrupt any ongoing communications. Call the NCS and tell the operator the priority of the message you have for his or her station. Receive a response from the NCS that he or she is ready to receive. Send your message using the correct pro-words and pronunciations of letters and numbers. Get a receipt for the message. Number 3. Leave the net in alphanumeric sequence. Note, the NCS acknowledges and the net is closed. Note, the following call signs are used in this task as an example. Net call sign, Echo 3 Echo, NCS Echo 4 6, S1 Echo 3 9er, S2 Echo 1 3. Answer in alphanumeric sequence. You receive a call from the NCS who issues a close down order. Does anybody have any questions? No questions? Okay. At this time, I will give you 5 minutes to practice on your own. Practice complete. At this time, I'm going to restate the task, conditions, and standards. Our task for today is to perform voice communications. Conditions. Given. 1. One operational radio set for each net member, formed up and set to the net frequency. 2. A call sign information card, 5x8, consisting of net member's duty position, S1, S2. Net call sign, letter, number, letter. Suffix list, net control station, NCS-46. S1, 3 9er, S2, 1 3. And a message to be transmitted. 3. Situation. The net is considered to be secure and authentication is not required. 4. ACP 131. Note, this task may have as many net members as there is equipment available. Each net member must have different suffix and message to transmit. Standards. Perform voice communications by entering and leaving the net in alphanumeric sequence and use of the correct pro-words, phonetic alphabet, and numerals that result in successful communication of the message. I will now go over the performance measures for the evaluation. The 3 things that you'll be evaluated on are: 1. Enter the net in alphanumeric sequence. 2. Send a message of 15 to 25 words using the correct pro-word and phonetic alphabet and numerals. 3. Leave the net in alphanumeric sequence. At this time, everyone will exit the room. The first soldier will enter the room for evaluations. Once the soldier exits the room, the next soldier comes in. Testing complete. Make sure to sign next to your name on the sign-in sheet. If you receive a no-go for today's training, please come see me. Soldiers that receive a no-go will be rescheduled for tomorrow, same time at 0930, same location, and same uniform. At this time, I'll be conducting an AAR. Everyone has the right to speak, and I want to encourage everyone to participate. Please don't talk over each other, and as always, be respectful of differing viewpoints. What was supposed to happen? We are supposed to go over the tasks, conditions, and standards, the step-by-step of performing voice communications. We are supposed to go over the performance measures and how you'll be evaluated. What did happen? What went right and what went wrong? How do I improve the training for the next time? A quick summary. Were there any injuries or damaged equipments? Were all the control measures implemented effectively? This concludes my AAR. At this time, everyone will do a police call around the area. Police call complete. This concludes the training. You are now dismissed.